Yo, tech heads! Hold on tight, because we're about to supercharge your Windows experience. Forget the same old, same old. Microsoft's Copilot AI is already here, and it's ready to boost your productivity and creativity like never before. Copilot, your AI wingman. Think of it as your built-in AI assistant, living inside your computer. It's smarter than a regular old Cortana, anticipating your needs, automating tasks, and learning your workflow the way a best friend would. But here's the cool twist: Copilot isn't just in beta anymore. It's already rolled out on select Windows 11 devices, and it's getting better every day. So, what can you do with Copilot right now? Get things done faster, emails that practically write themselves, code that autocompletes like magic, presentations that assemble with zero effort. Copilot understands what you're trying to achieve and helps you get there quicker. Organize your chaos, say goodbye to endless folder dives. Copilot remembers your preferences, surfaces exactly what you need, when you need it, and keeps your files organized, even if you're not the tedious person. Spark your creativity. Stuck on a writer's block? Copilot brainstorms ideas, generates outlines, and even helps you craft that perfect sentence. Think of it as your own miniature muse living in your laptop. And that's just the beginning. Copilot is constantly learning and evolving. Soon, it'll be your gaming buddy, optimizing settings, suggesting strategies, and maybe even cracking jokes while you dominate the virtual battlefield. It'll be your entertainment curator, recommending movies you'll love and music that gets your groove on. It'll be more than just a software feature. It'll be your trusted Windows sidekick. Ready to level up your PC experience? Whether you already have Copilot or are waiting for it to arrive, get ready to see your Windows transform. This isn't just about a fancy new upgrade. It's about a smarter, more intuitive, and personalized way to interact with your PC. So, what are you waiting for? Share your thoughts on Copilot in the comments below. Let's discuss how this AI assistant is changing the way we use Windows.